In this video, we'll be talking about how to transfer money from Bitget to Stake. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can head over and then click onto this trade option right here. So what we can do is we can head over and then send using this option. So we have in here this from as well as other spot accounts. If you have any more assets, you can head over and add funds for that. Then deposit crypto and then just buy in here using your USDT or just choose anything from there. Now from there, let's head over to our stake and then choose onto this wallet icon. Click onto this deposit and then choose in here the cryptocurrency that you want to choose. For example, let's choose Bitcoin and copy this Bitcoin address that we have, or you can also use in here this QR code. Now let's head back in here again into our Bitget and then head over to trade and then just input right here the actual address that you want to send it to, and you should be able to send to your stake.